Namaskara folks, this is Kripal Amanna, Gourmet on the Road and you're watching Food Lovers TV. This morning we are in Mysuru, in the bylanes of Nazarabad, and we've come here to explore a biryani that is made in a home and served in a home. Actually, they call this a palav, a secret tradition tucked deep in the bylanes of Nazarabad that goes back over 75 years at least. Namaskara. Ready? Sugandha barta ide. I can smell the aroma of the biryani that's wafting out from this house here. This is a rare kind of dining experience. Footwear removed, you follow the rich aromas straight up the stairs. As I draw nearer to the door, the distinct aroma of the palav definitely makes its presence felt. Namaskara. Hello. The biryani smells very good, huh? What are you having? Chicken? Oh, lovely. Namaskara. I entered the kitchen to find the soft-spoken Mrs. Saraswathy, the matriarch who anchors this home kitchen. Mrs. Saraswathy shared that she has been cooking here for over 50 years, carrying forward the home palav tradition that her mother, who was fondly referred to as Ajji, first began. And your mother's name is? Nagamma. This is Nagamma. Mutton palav. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಖೈಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಓ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ Mrs. Saraswathy not only cooks the palav but also portions each serving onto patravalis or traditional leaf plates, supported closely by her son Ramesh and grandson Nitin. The setup here is entirely rudimentary, just plastic chairs, stools and a clean floor where most customers actually prefer to sit. So I've got both the biryanis out here, the chicken and also the mutton. Oh, I love the steam that's emanating, that's rising from that mutton biryani. And this is the steam that finds its way down to the bylanes of Nazarabad, drawing you into this house, into Ajji's Mane. We also have some chicken curry and also some khaima in a curry that's found its way to us. I want to make a beginning with the palav. Bisi there. There's plenty of tomatoes that you see here. You can see some of the greens that have gone in as well. Idರಲ್ಲಿ rice ಏನು use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir ನೀವು? Basmati ಮತ್ತೆ kolam, BT. So I can see both a combination of the long grain and also the short grain rice. Oh, I love the aroma. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಂಬು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಸೌಫ್ ಇದೆ. I love the flavor of the fennel that I'm tasting right away. So this is a palav where every grain of the rice has soaked up the aroma, has soaked up the flavors rather of that masala. I can also taste a bit of the shunti now, somewhere in that biryani. Bani sir? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 20 years ಇಂದ. So 20 years ಇಂದ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್? Subramaniam. And Mr. Subramaniam has been coming for the last 20 varsha. Must tell you how much he loves the biryani. You Mysuru Vasiya, you. Wonderful. Dining at Ajji Mane is communal by nature. So you can always count on sharing a conversation and making new friends when you're here. So basically this is the living room of the house. And so you come in here and you partake of the biryani with the others. This rice is so fulsome in its flavors. Bisi hodita ide. I can also now taste a bit of the mint. This is so good. You also see chunks of tomatoes that have gone into the making of that biryani. Perfect hodiyate idu. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೇಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಸರ್? ರಿತೀಶ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Oh, arm wrestling. Fantastic.
Thank you.
I want to get some of that chicken now. This is a piece of the neck. So the cuts of meat are similar to what you would find in a home biryani. To me, the flavor here is when you have the meat with the rice. That rice has imbued all the flavor of that masala, of the greens, of the ginger, the garlic and the hard spices. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಇದು ಪಲಾವ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬರೀ ಅನ್ನ
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
220.
ಮಟನ್ 220
ಚಿಕನ್ 160.
160 also some onions just to cleanse the palate in between mouthfuls of this delicious anna. This rice to me is what has all the flavor. The chicken is all right. And out here they also serve you just the palav, just the rice with some motte too if you fancy some added protein. Bidlige mans aagta illa, but I have that mutton waiting there for me and also some of that chicken. Always nice to see the chicken cooked with the skin. The Homestyle chicken chops in green masala was simple and straightforward. What really hit the spot for me is that rice of that palav. It has drunk up all the flavors, all the masala, all the spices. Every grain of rice is rich in that flavor and aroma. The rice is the flavor sakkat ide. And now to taste the mutton palav alongside the Khaima. Today is a Tuesday and they were closed yesterday. So it's a full house. When you come here, you got to maneuver with whatever space you can find. Be it a spot on the bench or perhaps if you're comfortable, you can also make yourself cozy on the floor. A certain smokiness that I'm tasting right away. Get a piece of the meat that's holding onto the bone alongside some of the rendered fat as well, which is also quite apparent in its flavors. I'm also tasting some of the flavors of the fat of the kobu that's given the masala a slightly smoky sort of a dimension. So for about 220 rupees, you get about 4 pieces of the meat. I'm also tasting a bit of the spice head that perhaps comes from some red chilies that go into this. Didn't taste it so much in the chicken. You also have bits of bone that you need to maneuver. Get another piece of the meat. The meat is nice and soft. Has a bit of a bite. To me, in the mutton biryani, the meat is a star over the rice. But in the chicken biryani, I thought it was the flavor of that biryani rice. This masala same much. Maternally ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ heat ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, smokiness ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ. Chicken nalli adu rice nalli ella flavor ide masala idu. In the case of the mutton palav though, the meat absolutely had to accompany the rice to get the complete experience. Taste a bit of the mutton too in every spoon of the rice because that's where the flavor is. Also there are big chunks of onion that find their way to the palav here. Slightly on the blander side, also with the pastiness of perhaps some chickpea flour that's gone in to bind it. My topic between both the palavs, and rarely would I say this, is that chicken palav just by virtue of the flavor of the rice. If you love mutton, the mutton palav too is worth a try, especially the meat. The rice in this though is a bit smoky, dominated by the flavor of the fat and also a bit of the red chilies that probably find its way into that palav. 8 o'clock in the morning, a plate of the chicken palav, mutton palav, chicken chops, Khaima. What more can you ask for? Here in the bylanes of Nazarabad. On that note, I hope you enjoyed this short and quick episode. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, stay strong, and happy eating. I know I said goodbye, but I can't let go of the meat in this palav. If at all you watch this and find your way here, please bear in mind that this is a residential neighborhood. Park your cars on the main road. There is a parking lot at the end of Nazarabad main road and walk up to this place. Don't try to bring your vehicles, whether it's a car or a two-wheeler, into these bylanes. Not only will it be extremely difficult for you to maneuver, but you will also make life difficult for the people living in this neighborhood. And I think as a food lover, you should also keep that in mind. Because after all, what you want to do when you come here is relish the flavors of the pulao and the hospitality of the family, not create trouble for others. On that note, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So, 2 mutton pulao, 1 chicken pulao, chicken chops, 1 mutton khaima. Thank you. If you'd like to support the work that we do at Food Lovers TV, do consider joining our membership community on YouTube by hitting the join button below or on the home page and receive special privileges like behind the scenes footage, shoot updates, access to live Q&As and a lot more. You could support us on our Patreon page as well. For more info, check out the links in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment below. Happy eating!